Hello, my name is Angie Moreira. 2016 Nercot. I watched each episode in the northern of the Ecuador. What in the occurring of 6:13 in the afternoon. In Remember at my whole family is a kitchen preparative food. When spooling were as spark plug in the window, and the began scratching the earth. My little brother growing. Did he tell my mom what is going on morning? And my mom who's good, was the team and the same pride. For all is the happy. After 8 minutes were late, everything stopped stalling and the water in wonder explained to us what am the happening. Thank you.